Okay guys, we're at a construction job site here. We're about to start a small project since this is the ending of the winter season for HVAC here in Chicago. We had to run this thermostat wire. There's my thermostat right there coming from the floor. I'll place it right here above this switch box, and then those two returns right there. Let's see if I can have a better view. Right there have to come up all the way up here, and also this return here we have to move it somewhere here, so the three returns are gonna be in this area. This is gonna be an open space. Okay, let's go to the basement. I love when people clean up after themselves. Okay, here is our workplace. I already disconnected these thermostat wires. Of course, that's not professional, but I'm gonna fix it because I'm professional. Haha. This is gonna be garbage. This is my new wire right here, hanging there. I'm gonna tie it and secure it very well. There's our ductwork, and there's our return right there. 1, 2, and 3. So those have to be, this one has to be moved somewhere here next to these two. Check. Okay guys, I don't have anything better in my truck. This is what I found for running my wire, thermostat wire, to the inside of the furnace. Without this, it's just a sharp edge, and I hate sharp edges as much as wires do. So I'm gonna run it through there. At least it's not sharp, and I think that's gonna solve my problem. Okay, the job is done. This thermostat, we put our electrical, and this is not up to code in the Midwest, I mean Chicago, but this is existing, so I'm not gonna touch it. There it goes. There goes our wire right there. It comes all the way up. Of course, more garbage. Comes here. And there is our new location for the thermostat. There are our new returns as well.
Ever since their GI and silent generation parents started building and buying homes designed on the Levittown model, in large part to accommodate their
work, that's all I do. Work, that's all I do. Wake up and I grind, that's all I do. Putting work overtime, that's all I do. Thank God for this life, that's all I do. Every day, every night, yeah, that's all I do. Wake up and I grind, that's all I do. Putting work overtime, that's all I do. Thank God for this life, that's all I do. Every day, every.
Okay guys, we're installing a kitchen vent for the kitchen exhaust, and this is how we do it. Since the roof cap is not yet installed by the roofers, we just put the star collar and then There's a screw right there. So when the roofer comes, she's gonna see the screw cut the hole around 7" and hook the cap. And this is my pipe right there. And there is my where my kitchen hood is gonna be. Alright, almost done. Almost done. Welcome to my house. Welcome to my house. This is how we do it.